In this lesson, you'll learn how to incorporate a WebView in an Android app. The WebView class is an extension of Android's View class, and it allows you to display web pages as part of your activity layout. You might display a single page or provide access to multiple pages. As we see in the document summary to the right, this page on the developer's website in the API guides provides detailed information on adding a WebView to your application, using JavaScript, and handling page navigation. We're going to look at code in a sample app in the samples workspace. It's the WebView app included in the Working Files Eclipse workspace. First, let's fire it up in the emulator. We'll highlight the package name and click the debug button. We see an instruction to click the link, so we'll do that. And up comes my website. We've linked to an entire site. I can pull down the navigation menu. We can click around to other pages, for example, Android apps. And this website is designed to adjust itself to various screen sizes. So it does things like creating the condensed menu up at the top. If we click on the menu drop-down button here, we see options related to web pages. Now let's take a look at the code. In the source folder, we'll open main activity. In line 9, our main activity is declared. In line 16, we use the setContentView method to initialize our display using the activity main layout. So let's take a look at that. Lines 3 through 6 define a scroll view. 8 through 11 define a linear layout. And within the linear layout, lines 13 through 16 define our web view with the ID WV1. Lines 18 through 21 define a text view, telling the user to click the link to see the display, as we saw. Now back in the Java code, line 19 defines a MIME type for HTML text. Line 22 defines a WebView variable. 25 gets the WebView from our layout. Line 28 declares a web settings variable and sets it to our WebView. Line 31 enables JavaScript, and this warning message here is just telling us to be careful about using JavaScript, but we're in control of the website, so we won't worry about it. Line 34 loads data into our WebView, and it's in this statement that I'm linking to my website. Line 35 is a commented out alternative to an HTML5 web page that we'll be looking at in the next lesson. Lines 38 through 43 handle our menu. And before we leave the app, let's take a quick look at the manifest file. The element to notice here is that you need to include in your app manifest the permission to access the internet with a statement like we see in line 7. So that's a look at a basic use of WebView. In the next lesson, we'll check out an HTML5 WebView.